at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever, never wanted fame.
Yo guys, we're going to the metro right now. We're going to downtown LA. And metro's right there. We're almost there. Still at 100%. So I'll let you guys know what I make it there with. So let's queue to the metro. Oh yeah?
It was so tough,
When did you post it?
3 hours ago and it's at 20K already.
Bro.
TG Racing DM me and they're like, we send you 3, or not 3, but like a couple,
the doors are closing.
like upgraded footlocks, and they're like double the size and shit.
Even after you sold the first one?
Yeah, even after you got pissed about that. So I was like, man, I'm not actually using this one this time.
Yo guys, we made it to LA. We're heading to the Rideout right now, bro. First time in LA, let's go.
What's right? Bro. Yo, can I get the man? Yo, can I get your autograph, bro? Bro, I got you. I bet. Yup. Sign your buddy.
The front wheel was stuffed there too. So I'm with Ultra Rider, Nigel, LB Jonathan on my light beat. Pulling up to the Rideout right now.
Get it. Be safe. No smacking gears. No fucking around. Keep it simple, fun, Rideout.
Is that bad?
Yo.
Bro, I didn't pull up hella late. Actually, you guys pulled up at a perfect time, bro. I've been waiting here. They said leave at 2. 1:30. You're still coming metro.
Oh. Yeah. %. Bro, this thing is crazy.
Bro, for me, it's like sketchy for me to have both hands. I just start in a one-hander and I just like go like that.
Yeah.
I feel like it's sketchy to go with both hands. I don't know why.
Bro.
I can't get nowhere.
See foot brake.
Yeah?
Let's see foot brake.
Fuck, I put it on yesterday.
How does it feel?
It's so touchy, it's nice.
Bro, how'd you acquire a wife?
Bro, I don't know. Bro, my bike feels like shit now.
Bro, you gotta switch everything out from your dad's bike. Thank you.
Yeah.
Were those combos good?
Yeah.
They're getting faster. But I feel like if you look at me from the front, I'm like looking hella worried. Bro, there's so many people. Alright, bet. Real quick. Ready?
Yeah. Do another one just in case. Oh, right here, yeah. Oh,
Ready?
yeah.
Right back.
That'll do.
Thank you. Bro, we're on the freeway right now. Holy. Yo. Yo guys, that LA Rideout was so much fun. Sorry I didn't talk much, but it was crazy. First LA Rideout went good. We split off from our friends and we're gonna head back right now. Dude, I'm still at 68%. He's at like 20. That just shows how much different range they get. I designed a skid plate and printed it. The first one was plastic, just like this one. It has a frame under that protects the motor, metal, so nothing will happen, so it's perfectly fine. But the 3D printed one looks so good. It mounted right up so nicely. Crazy. Even my two friends on the Ultra, they were both at like 20-30%. Bro, the VTV with the 2025 battery gets such good range. It's kind of crazy. Thank you guys for watching. That's probably gonna be the end of the vid. Peace out.
Yeah, it ain't nothing new. I'm trying to make an M at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever. Never wanted fame, I wanted racks. Always wanted cheddar. You could